Okay, so sequences and t-tables, something that comes up on the grade 6 book, 6.1 in Jump Math. We're going to look at how we can use patterns to make predictions in t-tables. So let's imagine you've just got a basic sequence of numbers that goes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You know that what's basically going on here is you appear to be going up by 2's. So this would be 11, 13, 15 and so on. What we'll look at is how you can actually use that to make quite powerful predictions, like if you had to find the 1000th term and if the sequence was a lot more complicated. Let's look at the method first. Now we know this one is quite simple, you just add 2. And if you're looking at that in a t-table, you might say the first term is 1, the second term is 3, the third term is 5. If it's a difference of 2 in those outputs, that it's a gap of 2, that means that you are looking at essentially something that's like the 2 times table. Now if you look at the 2 times table, 2, 4, 6, 8, and compare it to the numbers you've got, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on, you'll see what you've really got is the 2 times table in your sequence with 1 taken off. So the 2 times table with 1 taken off, or 2n minus 1, is like the formula that you can use. If you had to make a prediction now, like as we said, what is the 1000th term, you would just put 1000 into that formula. So 2 times 1000 subtract 1 is 1999. Alright, quite a simple one. Let's look at how we might do a second example, a little bit trickier. Let's say we have some numbers that go 5, 14, and 23, 32, etc. So first of all, we'll look at the common difference. Alright, we've got a difference of 9 there. Also got a difference of 9 there, so it looks like we're adding 9's. So we're basically looking at the 9 times table with something added or subtracted on. Alright, let's compare our numbers to the 9 times table. 5, 14, 23. Let's compare that to 9, 18, 27. Well, looks like our formula here is basically the 9 times table with 4 taken off. So our sequence is the 9 times table, subtract 4. Let's say I had to make an awkward prediction now, like what is the 68th term? So if I had to find the 68th term, for instance, I'll just put 68 in there and then calculate what that is. What is that? 540 plus 72 is 612. Subtract the 4, 608. So if you like, T68, the 68th term, 608. So there you've got a basic method of making predictions using the patterns in t-tables.